Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to change your Apple ID phone number on an iPhone. So first, out of every Apple service and device that uses your Apple ID except the one you're using to change your Apple ID, then go to the Settings app. Select your name, then on Name, Phone Numbers and Email under Contactable. Tap Edit, then delete the phone number that you're currently using and then tap on Remove, and now type in your phone number that you want to use as your Apple ID. How to change Apple ID phone, then tap on Next, and that is how you change your Apple ID phone number on an iPhone. Apple ID phone number on an iPhone. Thank you for watching.